Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to clean the bathroom. It is Saturday, look at my calendar, the 3rd of July. I'm about to go clean the bathroom. You guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. And I'm going to clean the shower and stuff like that. But yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about. And then I've got a whole lot of other stuff to do today, like filming content. And yeah, just got a lot to do. So anyway guys, I'm gonna go get started. It's like 11:15 right now. I'm gonna get things done by 1:30 hopefully, and then film some content and chill because I've got like terrible back pains. I'm really tired. So yeah, anyway, I will see you guys in a few. So guys, as I mentioned, you'll see what I'm talking about when I said I'm gonna clean the bathroom. I'm gonna clean the shower, the toilet, and the floor like I always do, but now I'm gonna clean this bathtub. Okay, this is my parents' bathtub. Don't mind the underwears and stuff there. This is my parents' bathtub, and it's got my stuff from varsity, like 2000 and when did I move these here? I moved these at the beginning of 2020, end of 2019, beginning of 2020. So I spent the whole of 2020 not cleaning out this bathtub for a valid reason. We don't have enough storage space in the garage and in the spare room at the back. So I had to keep these things here, but now I'm going to throw some of them away and the others I'm going to keep, but I'll find space for them because I did like do a bit of spring cleaning last year and get rid of some stuff in my room. So I think I'll have some space for these things, the ones that I'm keeping and the ones I'm throwing away. And yeah, I think I'll give some away, like this laundry basket. I think I'm gonna give it away. But anyway, let me get started guys and see how far I get before I start cleaning the rest of the bathroom. So guys, I just realized that my lens is a bit like blurry, so I'm not really happy with the footage I have so far, but it's fine. I just wanted to give you guys a disclaimer. If you can hear me breathing really heavily guys, it's because my sinuses are doing the absolute most. And they've been doing that for about 2 to 3 days now. So I can't breathe properly, especially last night and today. Like my breathing is so bad because I'm really blocked. So yeah, I can't breathe properly. I can hear myself breathing really heavily and it's so uncomfortable. But please bear with me guys. I think it's going to be only for this particular section of the vlog. Maybe I'll get my nose unblocked soon. So yeah, anyway, let me get started with the cleaning. Guys, this is my matric dance dress. I'm never gonna give this dress away because it's so pretty. Probably gonna remove this, but it's such a pretty dress. I feel like I could wear it to someone's wedding or something. But anyway, let me continue. Guys, I can't believe I used to wear chokers. Like, I have so many chokers in here and some other weird ass jewelry. Oh my gosh. But yeah, let me see what else I'm gonna find in here because wow. Guys, I just found so many things I'd forgotten about. This is a like jar, stationary jar thingy that they made for us. Our, what is she called? They were called semis. I don't know what you call those. Like a floor representative, something like that, but to look after all the first years. She made these for us when we were in first year. Oh wow guys. I'm gonna remove this though and use it for drinking. Probably, yeah. Guys, this is the progress so far. Look how dirty the bath is. But yeah, there's things all over the floor. Yeah, hopefully in an hour or so I'll be done removing everything off the floor, and then I'll clean the bath and the shower and the floor. So yeah,
1 eternity later.
guys, I'm officially done. Look at the bath, so clean. Oh my word. I'm done with the entire bathroom. The shower looks super clean. I just need to move this handy, but yeah, guys, it's squeaky clean. I'm so happy, you guys. I took everything out of the bath. I threw some things away, and yeah. So guys, just got a new delivery. I'm gonna open it right now, quickly do an unboxing, and yeah, show you what's inside. So guys, it's a package from Superbalist. In here, it's boots. I'm gonna actually wear these to work and also casual because wow, they look so good. It's like this snake skin type of leather. These are so cute, and the heel's perfect for work so I don't get too tired. This is very pretty. I love these. This is a set. I'll show you guys later. Remember, I promised to show you these PJs. This is how they look. They like cropped at the bottom. I don't want to show you my slippers because they look so crusty right now. And yeah, this is how they fit, you guys. I'm not wearing a bra, sorry. But yeah, they're really cute. Love them. Back. Guys, I haven't vlogged in like a week, yeah, since last weekend. I'm sorry if you can hear people talking in the background. It's my family. I'm about to go eat dinner now. What I just showed you in the previous clip, it's like the weekend of the 10th. Yesterday was so wholesome. Today's been wholesome as well, which is why I haven't really been vlogging much. I just wanted to come onto here and share with you guys that there's a new method I've been trying for my hair, and my ends, they no longer like dry and breaking, you guys. I will show you guys the method sometime in this vlog, but I just wanted to come update you guys on that. And I'm so sorry if this vlog is not like super entertaining, but I'm sure next weekend or this coming week I'll have something entertaining to show you guys. And if not, I don't think I'll upload this vlog, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Anyway guys, see you. Welcome back. Today is Sunday the 18th. Okay, I look so crusty. Look at my hair, guys. What a mess. I just came back from the shop, so went to run some errands, and I also picked up a few things. Just wanted to show you guys quickly. I've got another one of these tissue oils by Bramley. I got these baby wipes just for going to the toilet. I got small ones so they can fit into my bag. I also got these family wipes. Last time I bought like a big pack, like 80 of them, but they didn't have them, so I just got these 15 wipes for 8 rand. So just for like after eating, wiping my hands, things like that, you know. So they also will fit in my bag perfectly. And then I also got myself one of these perfumes by Lindrick. It's called I Love Mask. Ooh, I love musk. Oh my gosh, guys. It smells really nice, but I didn't smell it properly. I want to like put it on and yeah, after taking a bath tonight. The reason I got one of those Lindrick perfumes is so that I can spray it when I go to work, and you know, when I'm before bed and stuff like that. Because this perfume that I got like a month ago, I think, look how much there is left, guys. It's crazy. But I also spray this before bed, and just guys, it's a mess. And if you watch my pamper routine that's gonna come out before this video, you'll see that I had a body spray, but it also finished in like a week or two because I'd be spraying a whole lot. So anyway, you guys, I'm gonna go clean now. I have a whole lot of cleaning to do, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. And then what else am I gonna do today? I'm gonna do some self-care, and I've got 2 videos to film, maybe 3 depending on time. It's already past 1 now, so yeah, let's see how things go. But anyway guys, enjoy the rest of the video. guys, I am done doing my makeup. Sis looks I'm so stupid. Why did I do that? Anyway, sis looks good, you guys. I'm gonna film a story time. I'm done filming my 2 other videos. I'm gonna film a story time now. Then I'm gonna rest because it's Sunday and I'm going to work tomorrow, so I need to get some rest. So I'm just gonna eat something, shower, and go to sleep because wow, I took my linen off my bed this morning, so I need to still do that, but I'm lazy. I think I'll just put on like some other linen and then I'll put on my proper linen tomorrow. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I will see you. I think I might be done with this video. Yeah. We'll see. I might be lying. I might just continue it on to next week. Yeah, maybe. We'll see what happens in my life next week. If nothing happens, then the video ends here. So thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys so much. Let's get this channel to 300 subscribers. Maybe by the time this video is out, I will be by 300. So yeah. Bye, guys. Guys, it is Saturday the 24th of July. Guys, we just came back from like we were in Boksburg, Edenvale, like all over the place with my mom, my dad, and my sister. We just had a lot of stuff to sort out, and then we went to McDonald's and I got one of these danishes. I got a custard one. I want to try it out. I think I'm gonna warm it up. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna warm it up. Maybe it'll taste better. But these are like 12 rand. So wanted to try them out. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna make some peppermint tea now and get into my gown, be warm, take a nap. Just made my hot water bottles. The reason I'm doing that is because I have these bad back pains, you guys. Like, I don't think it's the first time I've complained about these back pains in my videos, like, but now like they've been getting worse and worse and worse. I took 2 days off from work to rest because I thought maybe I just need to rest. I've been working hard and whatever, but still, you guys, like last week when I went back to work, like Wednesday, I was okay, like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then boom, this week they started again on Monday. So I'm going through so much right now with these back pains. But anyway, you guys, I want to show you guys something. Let me just say, I'm the luckiest girl in the world. I have the best family. My sister got me a few items from Zara. Let me show you guys. So you guys, the first item are these boots. In the previous clips, you saw I got boots from Superbalist, those nice snakeskin boots. Now my sister got me these. These are so pretty, guys. They're like soft boots, and they're actually so comfortable. This is my first pencil. No, I actually have pencil heel boots, but they're not as comfortable as these because these are a size 3. Those ones are a size 4, so they're quite uncomfortable. I don't know if I should tell you guys the price. No. Yeah, no, I'm not telling you the price, but yeah. And then she got me this bag, you guys. This is so cute, you guys. I'm also not telling you. You know what the funny thing is, guys? When she came home with these items, I didn't look at the prices. Like, I was just so excited. I was so happy. So I'm only seeing the prices now and I'm like, okay. Yeah, no, I'm not going to tell you guys the prices. But anyway, this bag is super cute, you guys. I can't wait to go out and have a nice hot girl summer with this cute little bag. Yeah, let me show you the next item. It's these pants, you guys. They've got like their corduroy pants, and then they've got a slit on each side. They're very, very cute. This is a size medium. I don't know if you guys can see. These are a medium, and I went for medium because I felt like they would fit really well, because I want them to be tight but not too tight, and because of the material I knew that they would fit perfectly, as opposed to if I got a large they'd be quite big, and also around my waist they'd be quite big. So with jeans I would probably go for a larger size because of the material, but with softer material clothing I go for medium. Even with dresses I do small and medium for dresses. With tops I usually go for small, like this polo neck is a small. So anyway guys, for this I'll show you the price because it's on special. I'm gonna hide the original price. No, I can actually show you the original price since I got this, she got this on special. These are $360. The original price is $700. So yeah, anyway you guys, I am going to make some peppermint tea, drink, take a nap. I took painkillers, and yeah, I'll probably see you later or tomorrow depending on what's gonna happen when I wake up. So anyway you guys, I'll see you. Bye. It is Sunday the 25th. You guys, I am going on a solo date and I'm going to get my nails done, but I'm going to show you that in another vlog. I'll just show you the end result, but the process I'll show you in a different vlog. Anyway you guys, yeah, I'm about to leave now. It's like past 12 to 1. Got up this morning, went to the gym, ate breakfast, took a shower, did my makeup, so I'm about to leave, and I will see you guys later on when I finish this vlog off. Guys, I'm only like leaving now and I'm so annoyed. Like I've been here for like 3 hours. Sure, guys, I'm so disappointed. Like Seattle Coffee's closed, Wimpy's closed, Mug and Bean's closed. So I'm just gonna go home. I'm so disappointed. I really wanted to have a solo date, but my nails are done. The goal took quite a long time to get my nails done, but it's okay. I'm gonna go home now and yeah, rest. So I'm ending this weekend vlog off here. It's been an amazing, I'm lying, it hasn't been an amazing vlog. But anyway you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share. Watch all my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.